You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Mainly sunny skies to end our week today. Just some thin cloud coverage. It's looking like later on in the afternoon, a little bit of wind gusting about 20 kilometers per hour. The temperature is a high of 7 degrees. Could feel a little bit cooler than that with the wind chill factored in. Overnight, a high or a low rather of +2 degrees and partial cloud coverage. Now taking a look at our futurecast images here, the weekend is looking like it's going to be fairly inactive. Mix of sun and clouds for most of our Saturday and for our Sunday as well. Taking a look here at Belleville, mix of sun and clouds for both your Friday and for your Saturday. Around 9-10 degrees for those 2 days, climbing to 13 and a little bit more sunshine to end your weekend there on Sunday. Again, the seasonal average for this time of year, 9 degrees. So today looking like Brockville, you'll be right on the nose there. Mix of sun and clouds, then slowly increasing in terms of temperature over the weekend. Both days seeing a mix of some cloud and some sunshine there as well. 12 is your high to end your weekend. Smiths Falls, you're going to be ever so slightly warmer than that to end your weekend. Getting there though, mainly sunny skies again today. Maybe just some thin cloud coverage there. High of 9 degrees, 10 for your Saturday. 13 for your Sunday to round out your weekend. Taking a look at Kingston's 5-day forecast here now, and the trend really is that temperatures are looking like they're going to stay above seasonal average for this time of year and looking quite inactive as we head into next week. A lot of some partly sunny skies there. Today, mostly sunny and a high of 8 degrees. And then a mix of sun and clouds for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and for Tuesday. And Tuesday, looking like the warmest day currently for the 5-day forecast there. High of 13 as we get into next week.
Clearing up nicely. Any chance of precipitation is far behind us now as high pressure really digs into the lower Great Lakes. We've got some sunny skies for your weekend, and it doesn't stop there. Temperatures are going to be above normal too. Now that our seasonal average is about 8 Celsius, double digits look nice, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. How did we do today? 9 in Kingston. Before we complain that those aren't double digits, your seasonal average is an 8. So we were actually a notch above normal, and everybody had that from Ottawa straight down to Belleville, 8 in Peterborough, 9 in Oshawa, and a 10 in Toronto, the only double digit on our map today. Winds are west-northwest at about 6 kilometers per hour right now, so they're barely moving. It's quite calm out there, 46% relative humidity, so a very dry air mass. And just a trace of a flurry in the early morning hours. It was kind of odd to see that. But, you know, it is that time of year where if you're predicting showers this time of year, there's always that chance it could sway either way. You're right on the fence with those temperatures. And remember, about 80% of the precipitation that falls in this nation is snow. It just turns to rain by the time it reaches the surface. Let's have a look at those systems affecting us now. High pressure building throughout the lower Great Lakes. Just as one drifts off and to the Atlantic, more develop right in behind it, and the only thing that's actually going to bring you a bit of cloud is this little bit of a trough here that's going to scoot through the lower Great Lakes. That may generate a little bit of a cloud due to this low in the north, but it's really not a big factor. Any cloud you see for the next couple of days will be minimal. You see it sort of that daytime heating, building it up in the afternoon, and then it dissipates. Any probability of precipitation in the next few days is very, very minimal, like 20% or less. Some of you in the North Country might see a little more, say a 30% probability, but really nothing much going on right now. Very nice. High pressure, very few clouds. There's another trough pushing through with a bit of cloud. There's that activity to the north we spoke of. And it really doesn't come down to us except for maybe a couple little clouds. So we've got some really nice conditions. Look at this, Belleville, 10 for a high tomorrow. And yeah, a mix of sun and cloud. Those winds about a southwest 20 by noon. Sunday, sunny with a high 13. You rise to 13 again on Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. And for Brockville, your double digits right up to 13 by Monday for a daytime high. Enjoy those sunny days. Smiths Falls up to 10 tomorrow for you as well with a mix of sun and cloud. Mainly sunny Sunday and a mix of sun and cloud Monday. And look at that. You're up to 13 degrees over Sunday and Monday for daytime highs too. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high of 9 and a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. You will see some fog developing across eastern Ontario in the overnight. not just like we had the last couple nights. It's only going to drop to +2 tonight, not a -2. So you're not going to see the ice fog. You'll just see some regular old fog building up, especially in the low-lying areas and closer to the lake. Sunday, sunny, high 12. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 13. You're up to 13 again. Tuesday, very small probability of showers, like 30% in the afternoon. And Wednesday, you're right back to a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 11. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Kathleen Brown of Kingston sent this one in. Out for a run this morning at 6 a.m. There's actually a 6 a.m. too? I never get up at that hour. She calls this stop. Because she did. That's exactly what she said, to take this photo. It is a really good example of how any light can really enhance or sort of make that moisture in the air, your fog, more visible. Very nice picture, Kathleen. Thanks for sending that in. If you've got pictures, please share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
So glad she stopped to take that picture. Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous. Yes, my flowers were beautiful up until this week, and they still had buds on them. My geraniums were still bursting with color, and then the frost came.
Yes, it was very frosty the last couple nights too.
Yeah, for sure. But it just goes to show how mild it's been so far into the season, and the fact that my flowers were doing beautifully at this time last week, and now they're just gone. They're goners.
It's odd. It's like we're just about into the second week of November, and we're just now starting to really feel that nip at night.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. All right, we'll get you back here for your long-range forecast in just a bit. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
High pressure moving into the Great Lakes, lower Great Lakes, in fact. Not just one, not just two, but 4 of them stretched right out to the Atlantic. We've got 2 centers now, but over the next 48 hours, you're going to see that spread out and clear out. Any of the low pressure, very strong one moving up along the coast, is going to be kept at bay thanks to these areas of high pressure. There's more lows developing in the west. We've got one in the north sending a trough down, so not pure sunny skies thanks to the high pressure. We'll still see some blue sky, but that trough may bring a few clouds your way in the afternoon, like a mix of sun and cloud. Tomorrow, Belleville, high of 10 degrees. Look at this, 13 for highs over Sunday and Monday. Sunny Sunday, mix of sun and cloud on Monday. Brockville up to 10 degrees and a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. Sunday, sunny with a high of 12, and you're up to 13 on Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. And in Smiths Falls, a high of 10 with a mix of sun and cloud. Those southerly breezes tomorrow could be 20 to 40 km. Sunday, it's a high 13, mainly sunny, and a mix of sun and cloud on Monday. Again, up to 13 degrees. Well above normal. Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high of 9 tomorrow. You will see some fog overnight. That will burn off in the morning, and we'll get to a sunny start. Mix of sun and cloud through the afternoon. Up to 12 degrees on Sunday. Hope you put those clocks back an hour Saturday night. 13 will be your high Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. Tuesday, mix of sun and cloud, a high 13, and just a small chance of showers. Then you're just back to a mix of sun and cloud Wednesday, high of 11. Thursday, mostly cloudy, a high 12. And then for Friday, up to 12. And a good 60% chance of showers.